start a new chapter called digestion and the role of microbes. In this lesson, we will know about our teeth, how to take care of teeth, our digestive system, and what are microbes. But today, we will only talk about different type of teeth and its functions. Okay, so let's start. Teeth. Teeth are present inside our mouth and they help in biting and chewing the food. So, the basic function of teeth is they help in biting and chewing the food. Though there are several functions of teeth are there, like clean and well kept teeth make our smile beautiful, right? If the teeth are fallen, the smile doesn't look that good. So it is better to have clean and healthy teeth. Other functions are like teeth give our face a proper shape. For example, when a person grow old, his teeth fall out and his face suddenly changes. So teeth gives a shape to our face also. And teeth also help us to speak clearly, because if we don't have teeth, we cannot speak clearly. Next is sets of teeth. So human beings have two sets of teeth. One is temporary set, another is permanent set. Now, what is a temporary set? Maybe you have seen that newborn baby has no teeth, right? Baby gets her first tooth when she gets about 6 months old, and by the time she is 2.5 years old, she has 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Okay. Next, between the ages of 6 to 12, the milk teeth fall out one by one and new ones grow in their place. So these are called permanent teeth. Why these are called permanent teeth? Because they will remain with you until you grows old. That's why it's called permanent teeth, and there are usually 32 teeth in a permanent set. Next, we have the topic types of teeth. Teeth are mainly needed to bite and chew the food. We already know that. So, according to their function, teeth are of 4 types. What are these? According to their function, there are 4 types of teeth. Incisors or cutting teeth. See, incisors or cutting teeth. Next is canines or tearing teeth. Next is premolars or cracking teeth, and molars or grinding teeth. Let's start with incisors or cutting teeth. So there are total 8 incisors teeth in our mouth, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. We normally use them to bite our food. So which are the incisors teeth? See, you can see in the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4. On the upper jaw, these 4 are the incisor teeth. On the lower jaw, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 are the incisor teeth of the lower jaw. Okay, so total there are 8 incisor teeth in our mouth. So next is canines or tearing teeth. Now we have total 4 canines or tearing teeth in our mouth. 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. So which one is the canine's teeth? You can see on the both side of the incisor teeth we have 2 canine's teeth. That means this one and this one. These 2 are canine's teeth. You can see this one and this one. See, just follow the arrow. Okay, on the lower jaw, this one and this one, they are the canine's teeth. Okay, these canine's teeth are very sharp and it is used for tearing food. Flesh eating animals like tiger, lion, they have bigger and sharper canines so that they can tear flesh easily. Next is premolars teeth. So there are total 8 premolars teeth in our mouth, 4 in each jaw. That means on the upper jaw we have 4 premolars and on the lower jaw we have 4 premolars. And let's see where it is situated. You can see just after the canine's teeth there are two premolars on this side and two premolar on the other side, and the same thing repeat with the upper jaw also. And what is the function of these teeth? So they are used for crushing food. Next and the last type of teeth is molars teeth. So we have total 12 molars teeth in our mouth, 6 in each jaw. That means on the upper jaw we have 6 molars and on the lower jaw we have 6 molars. So let's see which are my molars teeth. See the last 3 teeth, 1, 2 and 3. This side 3 and 1, 2, 3. This 3. On the upper jaw also 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Total these 12 molars teeth are there in our mouth. And what is the function of this teeth? They are used for grinding food. Plant eating animals like cow, buffalo, giraffe have well developed premolars and molars teeth because they need to chew and grind their food a lot. So that's it for today, students. In my next class I will discuss about the parts of a tooth and how to take care of our teeth. Okay student, thank you so much.